Hey guys, this is Sai from BreVITy, and here we are with another Leetcode problem, binary tree zigzag level order traversal. So looking at the problem statement, we see that we have a binary tree. We need to traverse it in a zigzag manner. So it's like 3 and then 29 and then 15, 17. So basically it's like you reverse the odd number of indices and keep the even number of indices as such. That's basically it. That should be the zigzag order traversal. So we'll be making use of level order traversal. So if you guys didn't check out Menon's and Siddharth's video where they beautifully explain how the level order traversal works, I'll give the link here. So let's get started with zigzag level order traversal based on level order traversal. So let's look at step 1, which is implementing the logic. So basically we need a queue and an output list. So let's look at that. So we need to add a root node into the queue basically, because from root we will be visiting all other nodes. So now we got our initial structures. Now let's have a while queue is not empty. We need a visited temporary array. So this is our temporary array, and now we need to run a for loop so that we visit those nodes and we keep track of it by adding that into the visited list, and we check whether we have a left branch and or a right branch. If they exist, you add it to the queue so that they can be visited in the next upcoming loop. So that's what we are going to implement. So now if this condition exists, or else, now basically we should be having now we have to append, right? Output dot append of visited. So now we should, with this output, we should be having our level order traversal. Now our basic logic was even number of those arrays should be kept as such, and odd number of odd indiced array should be swapped, reversed. So let's traverse through that. So this statement will return the reversed array, and it will store it in that same memory location. So that's what this one statement is doing right now. And now we can safely return output. So let's see. Yeah. So now let's look at step 2, which is edge cases. So let's see, we need to see whether if root itself exists or not. So if root itself does not exist, so while queue won't even happen. So we'll just put a base condition. If not root, just return the empty array. That's it. So for I think other conditions this should be working. Let's try submitting it. Okay, that memory usage is quite good actually on this. So this is basically it. Like I didn't have much debug phase here, so we can skip on that. Let's talk about step 4, which is optimization. I don't think there is much of optimization here, but if you guys find any optimization, please comment down below. And talking about time and space complexity, The time complexity for this solution would be O of n because it depends on the number of nodes in the binary tree, as well as the space complexity would be O of n because you are using another queue which is basically O of n. So time and space both are O of n. So hope you guys understood how the algorithm works. It's basically the level order traversal base, so shouldn't be much of a problem. So please like, share and subscribe to BreVITy for more content we will be releasing soon. So this is Sai signing off.